Today I am demonstrating how to install this backboard bracket onto this Lifetime brand foldable table. I made this bracket using Fusion 360 and 3D printed it on the Bambu P1S. First we locate a proper location on the lip of the table. Then we install the bottom clamp over the lip of the table. The bottom clamp should be placed so the loop mount is facing up. Then we take the top part of the bracket and try to mate the clamp loop into the indentation in the upper bracket. Do your best to align the loop hole with the threaded hole inside the indentation in the upper bracket. Then install the thumb screw and tighten the thumb screw until the loop tab is flush with the side of the upper bracket. Then you can test to make sure the bracket is securely installed. Thank you for your time. This AI voice is called Remy from Microsoft.